that? What is that?
Stop fucking being invisible. Fucking American Sawyer.
Okay, something's going on here. What the hell is going on? Just shot. Oh my god, what the fuck? I'm inside the van! What the fuck? What the fuck? Oh my god, what the fuck? What the fuck? Oh my god! Where the fuck is this? Okay, where the fuck did he go? Fucking funny, big up, blown up, freaking van. Oh shit, there's a fucking van going everywhere. 2 vans! Hey, there's supposed to not fucking be cars out here. What the fuck is this? Please show it in kill cam, please show it in kill cam. Yes! What the fuck? I know, right? What the fuck?
I want to be a car too.
Me too! I want to be a freaking car!
What the hell? All I want to know is what the fuck's up with that car, man. What was that car doing, man? See that?
Oh, shit.
See the car just going straight through the map there? Like, just moving around? So weird.
I bookmark this game and see if it comes out on the video.
Yeah.
Oh god, he's an AGR. Ah, he knifed me. He knifed me. It's a freaking AGR.
3, 2, 1, fight.
There's 2 AGRs. How's that guy actually trying to play the game? The AGR's battling it out. So, in the kill cam you just see 2 AGRs battling it out.
Finish him.